Madrid. Finally, I made it here today and I'm gonna be staying here for 2 nights. I came to meet my brother. He's gonna be staying with me for about a month and we're gonna go explore different cities here in Spain. So I decided that I'm gonna go and check out Gran Via. I don't know how lively it's gonna be, but I'll take you guys with me and we'll check it out together. So I wore this on top. It's pretty good for this weather, and I am wearing this shirt from Costco actually. My mom got me right underneath, and I'm gonna call the Uber and head to Gran Via now. I am not staying in the center. The area that I'm staying in is kind of fishy, even though the Airbnb is pretty good, but it's really sketchy, like people around and stuff. So I took the metro, but I think from now on I'm just gonna stick to Uber. Yeah, the downtown is super lively. It's so different than Granada, which I love. And yeah, I'm enjoying it so far. It's kind of chilly today. But yeah, the vibes are super nice. So now I'm trying to find a place to eat, but yeah, I'm not sure where I want to eat. Oh, let's see. The pizza place, I think I'm just gonna eat here. So here are the options. Honestly, it looks really good. I like caprese. No, gracias. Ah, para llevar. Gracias. Para llevar to go. I'm just gonna enjoy them in this beautiful weather. So I don't know much about the store, but I guess it's pretty popular here in Spain, and it's huge, as you guys can see. So my brother finally made it to Spain. Let's go! It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. to the Palacio. What is it called? Palacio de
Palacio de
Glacio.
Cristal.
Palacio de Glacio. So I think that's the last touristy spot that we're visiting. Perfect to spend one full day in Madrid. I think everything else is gonna be like going to cafes and seeing friends and stuff, but one day is perfect. There's a lot of street performers here too, which is nice. But a lot of scammers too. Everyone's trying to sell you something, which was kind of annoying. I haven't seen that much in Granada specifically. But yeah, anyways, let's go to Palacio de Glacio. Morning, guys. So last night me and my brother got home at like 5 p.m. and we just stayed in the rest of the evening. Honestly, we were so tired. Like, I didn't realize how much we walked, but I'm gonna go meet one of my friends here in Madrid. We're gonna go to Gran Via again, and then my brother will get to see Gran Via as well. And yeah, we're gonna be heading back to Granada at 2 p.m. today, so I'm excited to go back to my city. And yeah, finally here with Samantha. I've been waiting to meet her for so long. Finally made it to Madrid. Thank you.